Hello, this is topic 4-3, writing equations of lines, just continued. Um, Here we're going to talk specifically is if they give you 2 points. So given 2 points. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go to Stat, Edit, and our calculator. And so I'm going to go ahead and get my calculator over here. You're going to push the Stat button. You're going to go to Edit, which is the very first thing that you see. And notice that you have L1, L2, and L3. You're going to put the x values in L1. Okay? Over here, you notice I've got a bunch of values. To clear that out, I'm going to go up to where I'm highlighting L1. Then I'm going to hit Clear, and then Enter, and that clears it out. After I put my x values in L1, let's just say 4 and 3, I then am going to put my y values in L2. Let's go ahead and say -3 and -6. Then I'm going to exit by doing second quit. Then I'm going to go back to Stat, Calculate, Len-Reg. And specifically, I wanted the Len-Reg that's AX plus B. I'm going to hit Enter. Two times. And I'm given my equation. A is my slope, and B is still my y-intercept. So let's go ahead and see what we get. Again, just going to review. I'm going to go to Stat. The very first thing that pops up is Edit. I'm going to hit Enter. In L1, I'm going to put my x values, 4 and 3. 4 and 3. Or 4 and -3. In L2, I'm going to put my y values of 3 and -6. I get out. I go over to Stat, Calculate, Linear Regression. And it tells me that A equals 3 and B equals -15. So y equals 3x minus 15. And this is by far the easiest way to find the equation of a line because the calculator does all of the work for you. Let's move on to the next page. We have 2 points, L1, L2. Well, L1 is going to be 7 and 2. L2 is going to be 7 and 2. And so I come over here, Stat, Edit, 7, 2, 7, 2. When I quit, I hit it, I get A equals 1, B equals 0, Y equals X. Again, L1 and L2, -2, 4, 5, and 8. Stat, Edit, -2, 4, 5, 8, linear regression. I get that A equals 0.5, B equals 6, and so y equals 0.5x plus 6. Now here, I'm not given 2 points directly. I'm told that my y-intercept is -3, so that would be 0, -3. And my x-intercept is 7. That would be 7, 0. So, L1 and L2, 0, 7, -3, 0. Stat edit, 0, 7, -3, 0. Linear regression. A is approximately 0.429 because I get a very long number right here. And B is -3. So y equals 0.429x minus 3. This is probably a fraction. In fact, I know it's a fraction. However, I don't know which fraction that is off the top of my head, so I will accept a rounded answer on here. But ideally, you'd want to find out what the fraction was. Well, now let's talk about some special cases. Here I have a horizontal line. Okay? A horizontal line is one that goes flat. I always think of the horizon. So we've got the sky, we've got water, and here's the line that separates them. And so this is a horizontal line. Well, that means that we're at -2, +6, and we're a line that goes like that. And so the question is it that x equals a number or y equals a number? Well, here, it's my y values that are always the same. So I look at y, and I'm given my answer right there. So if you have a horizontal line, this means that it's going to be y equals some number. Now, let's do the other one. This would be a vertical line. Goes straight up and down. And when I think about vertical, I think of vertebrae. And the vertebrae is his back. It's your backbone. And it goes straight up and down. And so a vertical line is a line that goes straight up and down. And so here this one is at 5, -3. And it is a vertical line. And here's the x value that I care about. So this will be in the form of x equals c. And so my answer is x equals 5. And so horizontal lines and vertical lines are even easier than if they give you 2 points, because you know it's either going to be y equals a number for horizontal or x equals a number for vertical. Good luck on your assignment and have a good day.